The O5 Council got a word of SCP-V11's containment breach. Its data log is shown now. O5-1. This is unacceptable. How the hell did SCP-V11 manage to get to the USA? He's too dangerous. O5 SCP-V11 breach out of site void. One of our new sites. We need to send in our MTF to recontain SCP-V11. We can't because they're at Site 19 dealing a huge containment breach. Well, he'll find us soon. What the hell is that? We got word of SCP-V11's containment breach a few weeks ago. You will be terminated on sight. Motherfucker! Fire!
This is the backside of the board.
This is the Void Jacking News Alert System issuing a national civil warning in all states of the United States of America. SCP-V11 now has a count of casualties to up to 1,000,000 and one casualties in the United States. The following steps to ensure your safety. Step number 1: lock all your doors and close all windows. To avoid any spot. Okay. To avoid any sightings of SCP-V11, he will terminate anyone that's been spotted by SCP-V11. Authorities have been looking for SCP-V11, including the SCP Foundation. The National Guard has been deployed to ensure safety to higher endangerment of SCP-V11 sightings in some spots of the United States. All Californian citizens have been terminated by SCP-V11. California is no longer safe. Evacuate to the set up safe zones immediately. Shelter in place if possible. If the authorities ask you to get out of the recent era of SCP-V11, please cooperate with the authorities. Failure to comply will result in an immediate termination. Under the orders of the O5 Council, Void Jackie Council,